What's up, guys? Today I want to show you how to cartoon a picture of somebody. Alright, so first you get the picture uploaded in Procreate, and then you can start outlining all of the features like the eyes and the head and everything else with a liner brush. And what I like to do is once I draw the outlines, I'll duplicate the layer, and the one that I duplicated, I'll kind of use the smudge tool on airbrush to blend, and then I'll add some airbrush on there to blend out the skin tone. Maybe draw some lines in there and blend them. Works real good. And keep doing the process till you got all the skin. And then I created a new layer to put these mustache whiskers right here in case I wanted to blend more, you know. And it's always good once you get the outline to make a copy in your files and then work on the new copy. In case you mess up, you can go back to the outline. Once we get that done, kind of add a little chin right there. Just keep adding more and more. Sometimes you can duplicate the layer. Alright, trying to figure out the body right here. Okay, I took a picture and just created one. Outlined the picture. Got it how I want it. We're going to have him ripping his shirt open here. Just keep using that smudge tool and that airbrush tool. If you have any questions, make sure you drop it in the comments and I'll answer them as quick as I possibly can. And basically what I do, like I just take a liner brush and I draw on there and smudge it around, or I take the airbrush and smudge it around. Those are the two main brushes that I use in Procreate when I'm drawing stuff like this. See, I just created a big black spot down there and I just started smudging it around, smoothing it out. Now you create a new layer and add the color behind the shading and liner layer. And as you see, like I'm creating this cool little music note heart thing. And I just drew it with dark red, and then I kept going lighter, and then I added in shading with the same process with the smudge brush. And that splatter, that's a brush as well. And you can see when I add the skin tone color in another layer, the shading is already there. And there's a hairbrush brush that works pretty good. Just every time you do something new, use it do it in a new layer, so you won't mess up the old one. You can edit it if you need to. You see, I'm gonna use a lighter tone, then I'm gonna go back to a darker tone. I used an airbrush to draw the letters that he wanted right here. This is his name on TikTok, and that's pretty much it, man. There it is. If you have any questions, like I said, drop them below and make sure you subscribe. Appreciate y'all tuning in.